The new face of rising India, the Farmers Trust, Grow It India. Did you know, in terms of available land for farming, India ranks second in the world? But you will be surprised to know that in terms of production capacity per acre, India is not even in the top 5. Generally, two countries are mentioned when it comes to cotton production worldwide, India and China. However, while the portion of land used for cotton farming in China is half, the production there is twice as much as in India. On the other hand, India has more land for cotton farming but less production. Why is this so? The major reason is the lack of use of protected farming products. India's chili production is higher compared to other countries, but the quality is not matching, greatly affecting its exports. The main reason is the minimal use of modern techniques. But now, Grow It has the precise solution to these problems. By using Grow It's products, farmers will get higher yield and it will double the farmer's income. Grow It India has brought a new method of protective farming for which we have designed mulch film, crop cover, fruit cover, wormy bed, shade net, weed mat, crop support net, agri-wire, and many other modern technology products that are made in our factory located in Union Territory of Daman in India. Along with Gujarat, Grow It India is operational in 14 states, including Rajasthan, Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, where more than 175,000 farmers are associated with us. Grow It India also has franchisees spread across different parts of the country to deliver protective farming products to farmers. Grow It India has more than 500 franchisees in 14 states. These franchisees and agricultural products reach farmers quickly. For this, Grow It has prepared a modern warehouse, that is CNF, in different states. So let's hear the story of Grow It's success as told by farmers themselves.
ना हवा से कुछ नुकसान हुआ है, आज तक तो नहीं हुआ। पेपर अच्छा है, दूसरा पेपर रहता है तो आधा डल होने के कारण वो अभी तक स्क्रैचेस ब्रेचेस आना शुरू होता है, लेकिन आज तक ये यानी कि पेपर को स्क्रैच भी नहीं आया।
बहुत सारे नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एक साथ लॉन्च करने वाली तो इंडिया में एक नंबर कंपनी है जो ग्रो इट है। देखिए, जिस कलर का फ्रूट है उस कलर का मल्चिंग उन लोगों ने मार्केट में लाया है, तो उससे क्या होता है कि फोटोसिंथेसिस जो रहता है, जैसे कि फाइटोक्रोम्स रहते हैं, 15 टाइप के फाइटोक्रोम्स रहते हैं, जिसमें से जिस कलर का फ्रूट रहता है उसका फाइटोक्रोम एक्टिवेट हो जाता है। बहुत सारा एडवांटेजेस है, बहुत सारे फायदे हैं। आप इसका ज़रूर यूज़ कीजिए और खुद रिजल्ट देख लीजिए कि कितने एडवांटेज हो जाते हैं, कितना सारा मुनाफा बढ़ जाता है।
Grow It has reduced the cost of farmers and increased production, giving them immense profit. And Grow It India's agri-expert team is working day and night so that they succeed in farming. Taking this objective forward, Grow It India imparts complete knowledge of the product to its franchisee dealers and familiarizes them with the product, and also reward the franchisee that sells the most. Grow It India's purpose and hard work have been noticed by country's media and has also been honored with several awards. Along with this, we also became part of the popular TV show Shark Tank India Season 2, through which we got the support of Lenskart's co-founder Mr. Piyush Bansal and CEO of M-Cure Pharmaceuticals Ms. Namita Thapar. In this way, progressing in their business, Grow It India buys back all products sold to the farmers with a guarantee so that the environment remains safe and farmers also get extra income. Grow It. We help you grow.